Hey guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here. Happy 2018. Hope you all had a great New Year's and a great Christmas with your family, and hopefully you've got everything you wanted from Santi and, you know, whatnot. Bollocks, I need petrol, of course I do. But look guys, happy 2018. It's a new year, new beginning, you know, new year, new me and fucking whatnot, all that good stuff. It's the first time I've been on the bike since the vlog I put up. The last vlog I put up was the last day I rode it. I think it was like, I think I waited about 2 or 3 days then to post that video. So I probably haven't been on the bike in about nearly 2 weeks. I've just been using the car because I've had no need. Fucking spray. I've had no need to use the bike because I haven't had to go to college. I've also been staying in my mum's for the Christmas, so I was just using the car. But it's January 3rd today, so it's the 3rd best day of the year so far. Hey, yes. You know, 2017 was a fucking savage year. It was a really good year. I didn't do a 2017 kind of like rewind of the channel. You know, a lot of people do that kind of an overlook of the channel. I just never got around to doing it. I've been like super fucking busy with work. I took loads of extra hours over the Christmas just for the money, like, because now I'm going back to my 2 days a week and then into college, so just to have, really. But yesterday there was a fucking storm in Ireland, like, of course, another storm. Apparently there's like another one brewing. I think it was Storm Eleanor. I think that was the bitch's name. But it was really fucking bad yesterday. Like, I was driving the car yesterday and there was all like bits of trees and shit falling onto the car and in front of us in the road. Like, it was actually really bad. Ah, for fuck's sake. Right, well, nice bit of rain to start the fucking day. But today is still pretty fucking windy. Nowhere near as bad as yesterday, but still not the nicest to be riding in. I was actually contemplating getting the bus in. Got a bit of rain in my mouth. I was contemplating getting the bus, but I said, fuck that, I need to ride my bike. Just been fucking mental the past few days. Oh, Jesus Christ, those clouds behind me do not look nice at all. I've just been mental the past 2 weeks. I've literally been work bed. You know, Christmas Day, I just said, fuck, I'm gonna relax. New Year's Eve, I was in work. New Year's Day, I was in work. Like, it's just fucking crazy. But the little break was kind of what I needed from the channel, because now I'm back into college. I have my first exam tomorrow, so I'm going in now to study. Fucking yay. Don't you love education? So I'm in doing that now, so I just said, fuck it, I'll go do a vlog. So I've literally been go all year. I fucking hate those year jokes. But they're so funny, some of them. I've literally just not had a fucking break, and like, I don't mind. Like, this is the life I chose. May as well be, you know, keeping myself busy than being bored, you know. But 2018, it's going to be a good year. I have a feeling it's going to be a good year. There's a few things I want to do already. Once I get college out of the way, I'm actually going to be able to like focus on shit now, and it's going to be great. It's going to be fucking savage that I'll actually have a summer to do stuff. Where are those clouds? Oh Jesus Christ. I think we're playing chase with the clouds, and I'm getting petrol. I have to put my fucking waterproof jacket on just in case. I have a few things planned for this year already. They're all going to take place in the summer, so hopefully I can get the ball rolling with all of them. It was going to be good. 2018 was a good year. It was a busy year for me. It was good. Like, you know, had a really good track day. I still have actually footage for that, but the footage actually looks really shit. It looks really bad. But I have a plan for Mondello this year. I'm gonna look up about pricings and vacancies as well, and that should be fucking great. It should be really, really good. Alright, come on, it's a fucking bicycle in your... Oh, come on. You've loads of room and he's just dicking about. Oh, you fucking asshat. Why are some people so afraid to like overtake cyclists? Oh. I also only got all the legality shit sorted out with my bike. I got to wait for the logbook and the tax disc and all that shit to come. I fucking left the tax disc at home. I don't have it with me, bollocks. I have to put it on the bike. And then I was waiting for my insurance renewal, which is, my insurance is finished tomorrow. But I got it all sorted, so I'm happy out. It's been very expensive lately. It's been a pain in the hole. Oh god, but look, that's the joys of life. Look guys, again, I hope you all had a fantastic New Year's and Christmas with your family. I hope you all had a very good year as well. And also I just want to I'm gonna pull up for petrol now, but look, I'm not a religious guy, and I'm not doing this as like a religious thing, but I just wanted us to think about all the people who, like all the people that we know who who weren't able to make it with us in 2018. And I haven't told anyone yet, but most recently, my friend who was a biker, he didn't make it into 2018. But look guys, that's the video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.